Hi, hello friends. Welcome to our skill course channel. In today's video, we will discuss about top 5 video editing app for the YouTubers. So my number one point is Adobe Premiere. Adobe Premiere is the best application for the YouTuber. You can edit any kind of web series or any kind of movie or any kind of videos. So the best app for the any kind of editor. The the timeline is the best way for non-vertical for the editing also. So you can Adobe Incorporation or made this kind of Premiere applications for in Adobe to Adobe Creative Clouds. So the licensing version you have to purchase for the licensing version for the annual basis, or any kind of, if you want to take for the monthly, you can also take the monthly basis also, so that you can also get Premiere elements from this kind of editing the videos. So Premiere Pro is the best application for the any kind of YouTubers for their particular incomes. So number second, my point is that Filmora. Filmora is the best YouTube editing applications for Android as well as for their iOS also. Filmora is very convertible for editing applications for Android and iOS. If some persons don't have a huge budget like Premiere, purchase the Premiere plan, they can use the Filmora. Filmora is also best applications for editing any kind of videos, movies and web series. So it is a best for research the footages and for any kind of dimensions what they want. So you can also get the free versions for in without any kind of watermarks. You can also get installed from it. So when you do for the certain for using this kind of application, you can edit the footage in 4K resolution basis also. So it is the best applications Filmora for editing any kind of videos. So my number third point is that Microsoft Clipchamp. Microsoft Clipchamp is the best application for any YouTuber. So this kind of application was launched by the Microsoft. This is the best way for editing this kind of YouTube videos or any kind of videos. So Microsoft Clipchamp are based in internet basis. So any kind of, you can export the file or any kind of doing that, you can get the internet connection for Microsoft Clipchamps. So it is the best application to import and edit and export the applications for audio visualizations and for internet browser to the Windows. So Clipchamp offices are usually in Australia, Philippines and Germany and US. According to that, you can also get published any kind of company firms, or that according to that sales of figures you can use for that. This is also a third application, the best applications for your editing your videos. So my number fourth point is CapCut. CapCut is the best application. The most popular website is TikTok. TikTok app are released in 2020. So there are also can apply for the web version in Mac OS, Android and iOS using the CapCut. CapCut are also available in all these kind of softwares. Then InShot. CapCut deals with the social media platforms and with the beginners for beginner level editing skills, and for the CapCut is user friendly softwares for video editing app for the users. So my number fifth point is that InShot. InShot is the best editing application, mobile editing applications. So you can edit any kind of photos, videos, audio, or any kind of zero to basic of videos. And you can even the advanced assets like a video collage, and then can smooth slow motions and graphic motions. You can also insert for that. You can also get vlog in social medias. So it is the best for pic and TikTok basis. You can also is the best application for that. Why InShot app should get used? To add certain musics and for effects for the video and make for smooth motion graphics and audio collage. It is so that it is the best video application InShot should get used. So InShot is making for influencer or YouTubers or any kind of Instagram, TikTok or any kind of WhatsApp and Facebook, etc. So there are certain pros also. So student can create any kind of video and editing their video in their collage form or any kind of videos, photos or any kind of collage mapping also. So like that, these are the best top 5 website, top best editing application for the YouTuber. So if you like my informative video, so please like it, share it, and subscribe my channel for more informative video. So thank you.